Tessa Prieto opens Pride Month with a legal battle. Nagtungo ang socialite sa DOJ para sampahan ng reklamong falsification ang ex-girlfriend. Yan ang agenda report ni Ched Gatchalian.
Paglaya mula sa pagkakasangkot sa isang kasong wala siyang kinalaman. Yan ang nais ng socialite at television personality na si Tessa Prieto na nagtungo sa Justice Department ngayong unang araw ng Pride Month. Nagsampa ang kampo ni Prieto ng reklamong pamimeke ng dokumento sa tatlong individual. Sangkot daw dito ang kanyang ex-girlfriend na si Angel Chua.
I said, it's enough. I have been victimized already in the past. I said, I'm gonna move on with my new lover / But I said, I want to make everything clear. To clear my name, to clear my reputation, to clear my family's reputation. It's unfair.
Dagdag ni Prieto para din daw ito sa ilan pang mga biktima umano ng kanyang dating nobya. May kinalaman daw ang issue sa financial transactions.
All I did was fall in love, and so I wanna correct that. In the end of it all, what is it? It's the legacy I wanna leave behind. So I really wanna make sure that I do all the necessary actions, that I will defend myself and the truth.
Sabi naman ng abogado ni Prieto na si Tay Leonardo, may kinalaman din ito sa ikinasong estafa sa kanyang kliyente ng isa sa mga respondent na umano'y hindi nabayaran ni Prieto.
Yeah, this is actually a counter charge on what happened as to our client because she was falsely accused of a crime. This is a case for falsification against 3 respondents. In connection with the alleged document which she did not sign.
Mariing itinanggi ni Prieto na pumirma at ipinanotaryo niya ang mga dokumentong ipinaako sa kanya. Para sa agenda, Ched Gatchalian, Belunar News Channel.